Sample paper question number 27. Prove that बात ना करिए 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, we need to show 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number where it is given root 3 is an irrational number. So if possible, solution, if possible, let 2 minus root 3 is equals to a is a rational number. Rational number. Okay, so you may understand this is 2 minus root 3 is a rational number. If possible, we suppose this one. Okay, clear? So we can write it as minus root 3 is nothing but a minus 2. So if a is a rational, 2 is a rational, then sum of two rational must be a rational. Clear? So this is also a rational number. So this can be written as root 3 is equal to 2 minus a. This is also a rational number. But it is given root 3 is an irrational number, which is the contradiction that two minus a rational number is equal to an irrational number. Okay, so our supposition is wrong. So our supposition that 2 minus root 3 is a rational number is wrong. Hence what is true? 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. So this is actually method to prove this question. Okay, because this is not a simply 1 marks question, maybe 2 or 3 marks question. Did you get? ये सारी चीजें लिखा होना चाहिए तब नंबर देगा एग्जामिनर. आप समझ रहे हो कंसेप्ट क्या है? Concept is that we have to suppose this is a rational number. Being a rational, then 2 is transferred that side, then a minus 2 is also a rational number. 2 minus 3 is again a rational number, but 2 minus a is equal to root 3. Root 3 is given irrational number. So how 2 minus a, this is a rational number, is equal to an irrational number? Which is contradiction that of the fact that root 2 minus root 3 is equal to a is a rational number. Hence our supposition is wrong. What is true? 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Clear? Note down. So now next 28, question number 28. There is an internal choice also. So question number 28. See, if one root of the quadratic equation, 3x square plus px plus 4 is equal to 0. If one root of this quadratic equation is 2 under root 3. This is 2 under root 3 or 2 by 3? 2 by 3, na? Is 2 by 3. That means one root is 2 by root 3. 2 by 3. Then find the value of p and other root of the equation. Then find the value of p, and supposed to be this is alpha. Then we need to find beta also. Okay? value of p as well as other root. Okay, so see the solution. First of all, being 2 by 3 is a root of this equation, we have to put this in this particular equation, then it must be satisfied. So according to question, 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 3 into 2 by 3 plus 4 is equals to 0. Hence this is 3 into 4 by 9 plus 2p by 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is 3 3 is 9. 4 by 3 plus 2p by 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. 3 is LCM. 4 plus 2p plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is 2p plus 16 is equal to 0. The value of p is minus 8. Understood? What is the value of p? Minus 8. And then put the value of p in the above equation. So equation becomes what? 3x square plus px, that is minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now factorize it, you will get the value. Otherwise alpha is there, then alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. So simply find alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is minus of minus 8 by 3. Alpha is given 2 by 3 plus beta we need to find. So this is 8 by 3. So beta is nothing but 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So beta will be 6 by 3 and this will be 2. So what is the value of beta? 2. Clear? You have to find the value of p as well as other root also. Okay? So note it down. So question number 28. Clear? What is the question? Again I repeat it. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, okay, such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1, then what will be the value of k? So first of all we write this identity alpha minus beta whole square. This is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 times alpha beta. This identity you know very well. So afterwards alpha minus beta is 1 whole square. And what is the value of alpha plus beta? Sum of the root is minus of b by a. So this is 5 and alpha beta is 3 times k minus 1, 3 times k minus 1. We put this value. So 1 square minus 5 square, this thing. So 1 is equal to 25 minus 24, 12k minus 1. So this is minus 24. And after calculating we will get k is equals to 3. Clear, eh? So this is all about the question number 28. There are two parts. First and the internal choice or. Okay. So afterwards next you see. In question number 29, we need to find, in the figure ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Semicircles are drawn with each side of the square of the diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. So we need to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. We need to find area of this shaded region. So how will we find? So for finding the area of this particular shaded region, first we find area of this shaded region and then 2 times because same area, na? So for this particular shaded region, area of square minus area of circle कर दे बेटा. 2 semicircle means 1 circle because all are identical semicircles. So area of square, what is the diameter? 14. So this is area of circle square, 14 square minus area of circle is pi r square pi into r is what? 7 square. So this is 196 minus 22 by 7 into 7. एक 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा बेटा. So 22 into 7, 196 minus 154, and this will be what? 42 centimeter square. So the required area is 2 into what? 2 into 42. That means 86.4 centimeters square. Okay, so area of this particular shaded region is 84 centimeter square. Note down. So thank you for today.